And welcome to another week. What we're going to do today is I'm going to give you a couple of stories that happened to me during the years that I've been restoring bikes. This story isn't about restoring, it's about what happened when I bought a particular bike, and it's quite interesting. I went all the way to Essex to buy a GT 750 Kawasaki. I used to like these Kawasaki's. I bought quite a few of them. Essex was a long way away, but I was stupid when I was younger, and I used to go long ways just to get a bike. I went all the way to Essex, picked this bike up, a nice blue GT 750, stuck it on my trailer and headed off home. It was dark and it was absolutely pouring down with rain. I'm driving along the motorway and I noticed that next to me was a car that wasn't overtaking me. It was slightly to the rear of me, it wasn't overtaking me. And behind the car was loads of other cars which were all waiting to overtake me, but they wouldn't get past me. I was only doing 60, having the trailer on, and I couldn't understand, why is this car not overtaking me? It was absolutely pouring with rain. You can imagine what it was like with all the spray and everything. And then I suddenly realised when I looked at this car that the car was a police car. The people in the car were taking all the details of the bike to see whether the bike had been stolen. So straight away I thought, have I bought a bike that's been stolen and I'm about to get stopped with the bloody thing in my possession? Anyway, after a little while they accelerated past, went past, all the other cars went past, no problems at all. I carried on my way. When I got home, quite a long way later, I was driving down a country lane near where I lived, literally a mile from home. I went round a corner, pitch black, pouring with rain. The bloody bike fell off the trailer. It fell over on its side, smashed the side panel, smashed the mudguard of the trailer, and ended up jamming itself on the wheels so the trailer come to a shuddering halt. I was a mile from home, on my own, in the wet and dark. I had to get out and manage to lift the bloody bike up and then re-strap it on so that I could get home just literally a mile up the road. But the funny thing is, imagine what would have happened if that had fallen off the trailer whilst the police were next to me on the motorway. Oh my God, what a blooming nightmare.